How's it going, everyone? This video marks the start of a series walking you through the features of Grizzology indicator. I'm going to focus on one feature per video, help you understand how I use it. Keep in mind, you don't have to use all these, you use the ones that benefit you the most. If you have any questions regarding this, drop them in the comments. Let's just get right with this, everyone. In this video, we're going to start with supply and demand. The example I'm going to walk through is supply. So this would be a short setup. These are hourly zones charted by Grizzology for you, and Grizzology helps you with confirmation. So let me just zoom out a little here. The trade we're looking at is actually a replay of one that happened in the past. I chose it because it kind of shows you, like, just because we touch a zone doesn't mean, it's confirmed, right? Grizzology waits on confirmation. It's based off volume and delta. Now that you understand, there's multiple confirmations when Grizzology confirms, it also has a feature that can help you with your stop loss, entry, take profit. It's not going to do it automatically for you, but it pops up to help you with that as well. And this is fully adjustable. So let me explain. First off, let me get volume off my chart here. So this is the settings for Grizzology. You can come in here and go all the way down real quick. Right here. Okay, you can adjust everything here. Your stop loss type for supply and demand, zone edge or confirmation. I've got a confirmation candle now. Zone edge will put your stop up here, of course. You just base that depending on how much risk there is, your R to R. You can adjust your take profits. You can move stop to entry after your take profit 1 hit, like I like to do. Now that you understand that, let's go back. So once we get the confirmation candle, let's see what happens. I'm just going to push play and let it play out here. All right, you can see we hit the first price target there. Well, first and second. Got the check mark, right? So this tells you, okay, you should have trimmed here. If you like, you could move your stop to entry if that's, the way you trade. Let's just let it play a little more, get all the way through this. Remember, if you have any questions, please drop them in the comments. I will do my best to answer every one of them. Do we get the final price target here? Let's see. Is it going to push back? There we go. Nice. So once you hit all 3 price targets, if you have a runner left in this trade, trail it. All right, whatever you want to do at that point, right? It's just icing on the cake. I'm trying to think if I left anything out here. So it's hourly supply and demand it charts. I prefer the 5-minute for confirmation. Things I try to stay away from is like the first 5-minute open, New York open candle if it confirms. I don't typically take trades like that. Just a little common sense added in with this is going to go a long ways. That's it. Hope you turn on notifications because I'm going to continue these. You can also let me know which feature you would like me to go over in the next video, which will probably come next week at some point. If you're ready to lock in with Grizzology, join Grizzology community inside of whop. Use code NQ for 50% off your first month if you want to try it out. I'll leave a link in the description. Appreciate you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.